Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off NFC payments options in Samsung Galaxy A55. So where to look for our NFC payment options? First of all, we need to go to Settings. Then in Connections menu, we have NFC and contactless payments functions. When we go in here, we can of course go here as well, and we can see, change or add services that we are using with our NFC function. And to turn it off, we simply uncheck this box, and it's basically it. Very easy to do, a little bit hidden in our connections. So I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.